In what way are you lost?
Everything is just going through one ear.
Everything that I said.
I need a book. I can't.
No. Did you write down anything that I'm saying?
I wrote down some stuff,
what
yes,
did you write
but
down?
I'm just not.
Don't turn my head around. Tell me what you wrote down.
Where you're talking about income statement and revenue and everything, but I'm just lost. I need a book so I can read definitions and
Okay. Let's recount. Let's go back to it. That's why you gotta stop me in the lecture. You gotta stop me. Teacher, I have a question.
I mean, I can't stop if you come to a complete halt, like, who's gonna hold up everyone else?
No, not really. Not really.
Everybody goes forward or nobody goes forward.
What I'm trying to say, in a nutshell, there are three statements I'm zeroing on in this chapter. Okay, three major statements. Alright? I spoke to you about the balance sheet. I said the balance sheet has assets, it has liabilities, it has ownership.
It's not funny.
That's the way you're going to recount. That's the way you're going to write journals. That's the way you're going to write lectures. You're going to take the meat of the lecture, not everything, but the meat of the lecture. Alright? And I said that the accounting equation, the assets are equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. If you subtract the liabilities from the assets, you get owner's equity. If you subtract the owner's equity from the assets, you get liabilities. Be definite. Alright? And now I said the income statement. Now revenue is obtained when we sell goods and when we provide for services.
I'll go home.
We sell things and we provide for services. And when we sell, we realize revenue. Alright? Now our expenses is what we pay for. We can pay rent, that's our expense. We can pay salaries, that's our expense. We can pay for advertising, that's our expense. We can pay for utilities, that's our expense. I said that if you subtract the expenses from the revenue, you have net income. Do you get the logic now? So far?
Yeah.
She's not talking to me, she's always talking to Miss Boateng.
No!
Boateng, wait, what's your sign?
Me?
Talk to me.
Me?
Yeah.
Virgo.
That's why. I'm doing about you're talking to Miss
My
Mitchell.
best friend's a Virgo.
Are you explaining that around what I'm saying?
And she was asking me what you were saying.
No, the last line. I was like, wait a minute, what was the end of that? You said subtract expenses from
Revenue.
Okay.
You get net income. I said that sometimes the expenses are larger than the revenue. So you have a net loss. Can you write that down?
After net income, you said what about net loss?
Sometimes the expenses are greater than the revenues. And that's where you're going to have net loss. You get it now, Ms. Mitchell?
Somewhat.
Okay, after you get paid at your job $500 every 2 weeks. 2 weeks later, you have your bills, your phone bill, cell phone bill, bag bill.
You said bag bill?
Bag bill, whatever you buy bag bill. Your bags is $670. All your expenses is $675.
Boateng.
But you get paid $500.
Let me see what you wrote.
So you got lost $175. You got put in shock terms.
Wow.
That's why. Yeah, that's right. I fought a flag problem.
You're taking the notes for everybody.
Not really.
Alright, Ms. Boateng.
Don't take this example as long.
Taking notes for everybody.
I thought that shopping.
After his back, he told us some wrong shit to put on there.
Alright. Okay, alright. And also, Ms. Mitchell, we spoke about 3 types of business ownership. We spoke about the sole proprietorship, owned by one person or one family.
He's proprietor?
Proprietorship.
Okay.
Okay. It's owned by one person or one family. Grocery store, meat market, you know, all those things, bodegas, whatever you see is owned by one family, one person. It's owned by one person, so therefore, it's a business ownership. It's a type. We spoke about the partnership. We said it's owned by 2 or more people. And we spoke about the corporation, wherein the owners are really investors, okay, or stockholders. They own that. So if you buy stock right now in Con Edison, you buy Con Edison stock, you will become an owner of